everyone. Welcome back to RTS and welcome back to Winner Chicken Dinner. Yes, I have our anniversary giveaway winners. That's what this video is about. It won't be a long video because we have some information to talk about, some winners to list, and just some fun ahead. Now, first of all, I want to thank everyone who left a comment thanking me and some of the sponsors for our giveaways. I really appreciate that. And then also to thank you tremendously for your kind words and encouragement. I can never say that enough. And honestly, at the end of the day, it is me who needs to thank you for what you bring into my life, not what I bring into your life. Truly, I mean that with all my heart. You have no idea how you help me through days. You have no idea. So let's get to the winners. And there is only one time constraint on one of the giveaways, and that's the first one. So the first one, and what I did was I went to each video and I listed the comments into the YouTube random comment generator, and that's how I did that to make it fair. And that's why I don't reply to a lot of comments in the giveaway, because then my replies would screw up the comment generator. So that's why I don't try to comment too much in the giveaways. But I want to thank every one of you. Okay, so the first one was for the $50 load event coming up, and it's going to start in May. And also, too, I want to give another thank you to all my subscribers who have signed up for the Scrap Happy events or the load membership. Alice gives me 10% of what you put towards that membership. So I want to thank you, because that has been, you know, a nice surprise. I just didn't know, you know, that Alice did that. And then second of all, that you use that. I really appreciate that, because Alice gives me that discount back to me. I mean, of course, Alice rocks. Yes, she rocks the Scrap Happy membership, and she totally rocks the load event. This is coming up in May. This is the only winner that needs to contact me sooner than later, because we're on a time constraint. And I will say that if the end of April rolls around and the winner has not gotten back to me, I will pick another winner, because this is something that starts May 1, and I want the winner to be ready to go before May 1. So the winner of this was Miss PYK. Yes, Miss PYK, you are the winner of this Scrap Happy load event that's coming up in May. So my email will be listed below. Please contact me sooner than later, and we can get you established and ready to go before the load event starts. And that way you can get familiar with your, you know, with the event in the Flickr gallery and that type of thing. There's a couple things you have to do. It's easy, but you have to do that. Okay, you want to get those emails from the lovely Alice. Yes. Okay. Now, also too, definitely don't forget that the load event does start in May, and the theme is Scrapbook Magic, Reveal Your Magical Memories. Now, I know a lot of my subscribers enjoy my story-based pages and story-based start to finish. A lot of those ideas come from the load event, yes, and you do not have to use them just in 30 days. You have them for as long as you want. And so then let's go to the next giveaway, which was sponsored by my lovely Scylla. Yes, and I'm glad a lot of you thanked her for as well, because this means a lot to me to have a subscriber support a channel. That simply rocks. Yes, so this is for a $25 gift certificate to scrapbook.com, and that winner is Alice Crock. Yes, Alice Crock, you are the winner of this $25 gift certificate. And so Scylla has already given me this information. Just email me at the at my email listed below, and I will get that information out to you. Yes, scrapbook.com. You talk about fast shipping. Yes. And also, too, if you are looking at scrapbook.com, don't forget that they have a little section on their website that says coupon. So look that up, save some extra money. Yes, okay. So now let's go to the next one. Now, I want you to stay tuned, because not only do I have 3, I have 4, because another subscriber gifted, you know, sponsored another giveaway. So we're going to have 4, okay, not just 3. So the next one was the $50 gift certificates to Scrapbook Generations. You know how I feel about these lovely ladies. They are the best in the industry when it comes to providing free items, providing content, providing sketches, and an online store, and their online crops. I'll be talking more about them in a couple days. So yes, the Scrapbook Generations gift certificate is to Joanne McFarlane. Yes, Joanne McFarlane, you are the winner of the Scrapbook Generations gift card. So please email me at my email listed below. I will get that information sent to you. Yes. Now, I will say with these prizes, I have a couple trips coming up. And so if I don't get your email, you know, if I'm trailing, it might be hard to get to, but we will eventually get to it, okay? It won't be something I will leave you hanging. No, I do my giveaways and I make sure I fulfill my giveaways. Yes, you don't have to ask me 10 times, where's my gift certificate? I'll get it to you. But just in case, you know, I'm on the road, just give me a few extra days for that, okay? And then also too, we have another giveaway that was sponsored by my lovely subscriber, Mary Johnson. She is a close to my heart consultant, and she said, you know, I would like to give a giveaway too. So she is going to sponsor a $25 gift certificate to Close to My Heart, and this company is celebrating 35 years. Wow. Yes. So Mary has been with me from the beginning. So thank you, Mary. That was very, very special. I mean, I got a tear in my eye. Yes. Thank you very much. You and Scylla for sponsoring and helping this channel grow and our community and scrapbooking and our industry. Well, you rock. And then also too, Mary, if you would please list your Close to My Heart consultant information listed below, because I know sometimes I have never ever been to a Stamping Up or a Close to My Heart party. No, I don't even have, I mean, I know some people that sell that, but I've just never been to one. So please list your information below in case someone's interested in these products. They will know who to go to because you're part of Record the Story. Yes, absolutely. So Mary, thank you very much. The winner of this $25 gift certificate is Snaps and Snippets. Yes, Snaps and Snippets, which isn't that a cute little name. You are the winner of this $25 gift certificate through Mary Johnson of Close to My Heart. And so what you can do then is email me at my email listed below, and I will get your info to Mary, and you girls can get hooked up and get scrapping. Yes, that's what we're going to do. So if you think I was done with winners, you're mistaken. I have another one. Because in our 4for4 series, the baby rhyme, which just concluded, you can check out a playlist for 4for4 series, and you'll see that in there. We had a hidden giveaway, and so what I did was I made up a little baby kit, Darling Dearest baby kit. And so, of course, there's a few other supplies, but I had a hidden giveaway, and thank you to the lovely ladies that left a comment for that video. And so the winner of this is Tammy McNally. Tammy McNally, you are the winner of this baby kit, and I will get this out to you. And of course, give me a couple days in case I'm traveling to get this kit to you, but it is reserved for you. And I hope you enjoy this kit, and I hope you make some lovely layouts recording the story. Yes, absolutely. Now, Tammy had said in her comment that she would like to see a 4for4 round of summer, and that's exactly what's coming up in the 4for4 series. Sometime over the summer, we will be doing a 4for4 series using the same cuts we did in the baby rhyme, but they're going to be double page layouts and all about the summer. Yes, we're all anxious for that. So thank you, Tammy, and this will be coming your way. So that is all I have for these giveaway winners to celebrate our anniversary. Thank you so much for your kindness, your encouragement, and for your just absolutely love of this hobby. I mean, that's all there is to say. We love this hobby. Yes. And so there is a lot coming up. There are more giveaways coming up for National Scrapbook Day. I'm working on an event for the weekend. We'll see how it goes. I'm hoping. I got some trips coming up. You know how it is to pack, unpack, and then try to scrapbook in between. Sometimes it doesn't happen. So that's all I have for today. Thank you for every comment you left in those 3 videos. Yes, thank you so much. And thank you to my sponsors, because my subscribers simply rock. Yes, so come back to RTS because you never know what we're gonna do. Bye.